True love requires perceiving both the good and bad nature of anything. Thurgood Marshall believed the law to be sacrosanct, but also dedicated his entire life to ensuring that it was equal for everyone. Marshall was born in Baltimore in 1908. His love for law began early when his dad would take him to watch court cases and subsequently hold nightly debates at family dinners. After graduating magna cum laude from Howard's Law School, Marshall would follow his mentor, Dean Charles Houston, to work for the NAACP Legal Counsel. For his first case, Marshall took immense pride in arguing against his hometown Maryland University that previously would not admit him due to segregation. Marshall's tactic was not to overturn Plessy v. Ferguson's separate but equal rule, but instead prove that without an equally equivalent state-run black institution, Maryland University must integrate, and the court agreed with Marshall. This set the stage for not only Marshall's 25-year career with the NAACP, but also his longer fight with overturning Plessy v. Ferguson. In a widespread multi-year plan involving trials across all education levels, Marshall eventually appealed to the Supreme Court with the landmark Brown v. Board of Education case in 1955, telling the court that they should make it clear that this is not what our Constitution stands for. And the court ruled unanimously, stating separate educational facilities is inherently unequal. In a truly remarkable career, Marshall won 29 of the 32 cases he argued in front of the Supreme Court. That's the most in U.S. history. Some other notable cases include Smith v. Allwright, which ended all-white Texas primaries in a victory for voting rights. Morgan v. Virginia blocked racial segregation in public transportation. Shelley v. Kramer ended racially restricted housing covenants. Garner v. Louisiana ruled that individuals could no longer be convicted for peaceful sit-ins. These decisions helped bring an end to Jim Crow while also pushing America towards equality. And Marshall was just getting started. He would soon be appointed to the Court of Appeals, then to Solicitor General, and in 1967 was nominated for the Supreme Court, becoming the first African American to serve as a justice. Marshall served America's highest court for 24 years before retiring in 1991. At his memoriam, a Chief Justice remarked, "Inscribed above the front entrance to this court building are the words, 'Equal justice under law.'" Surely, no individual did more to make these words a reality than Thurgood Marshall.